quick video. So these filters, if you can see right there on the bottom, all the way back, right there, go in. I put my other old filter, it goes. So that's what happened. See right there? You have to kind of squeeze like that and try. I don't know, it's too wide. I try other filters, it just goes right in, no issue.
This is what they're trying to shoot me. This one wasn't as bad, but this is what I got.